Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel Odissi Raudri. Today we will talk about Mandal Paad Bhed, means standing positions. Mandal Paad Bhed is taken from Abhinay Darpan, written by Nandikeshwar in 4th century. There are 10 types of Mandal Paad Bhed. So let's get started. First is Sthanak Mandal. In this we will stand in normal position. Feet are being close to each other. Our hand gesture should be in Ardha Chandra Mudra and keeping it on our waist. Second is Ayaat Mandal. In this, we will keep our feet distance 1 feet apart, keeping it in square position, and knees will go in sideways. Third is Aalid Mandal. In this, left hand will be in Shikhara Mudra, right hand in Tatka Mukha, right leg will be taken apart and knee will be bent. In the distance should be 1 leg distance, and it should look like you are hitting a bow to an arrow. Fourth is Pratyalid Mandal. In this, we will just change our weight from right to left. The Aalid is this. Pratyalid Mandal will be just changing our weight in the left leg. Fifth is Prenkhan Mandal. In this, feet are being near to our both feet heel, and we will make Kurma Hasta Mudra. Sixth is Prerit Mandal. In this, right leg is hit on the ground, left leg is taken forward. In this, left hand will be in Shikhara Mudra, right hand in Pataka Hasta Mudra. Seventh is Swastik Mandal. In this, we will make our feet in cross position and hands will be also in Swastik Hasta Mudra. Eighth is Motita Mandal. In this, we will sit on toes, keeping our knees on the ground 1 by 1, and our hands will be in Tripataka Hasta Mudra. Ninth is Samasuchi Mandal. In this, we will sit on our toes and both knees will touch on the ground. The 10th or the last one is Parshwa Suchi Mandal. In this, we will sit on our toes, but only one knee will touch on the ground, just like Samasuchi. Thank you for watching. I am Raudri Singh, Odissi dancer. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.